Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Trust Wallet account, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Trust Wallet account, start by opening the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. If necessary, log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have completed all necessary transactions and withdrawn any remaining funds. Navigate to the settings section of the app by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to find the security option. Select security to access your account's security settings. Here, you will also find options regarding your wallet. Unfortunately, Trust Wallet does not have a direct option to delete an account. Therefore, to effectively cancel your account, you will need to delete the app from your device. Before deleting the app, make sure you have backed up any important information. After confirming your backup, go to your device's settings. Find the Applications section and locate Trust Wallet. Select Trust Wallet and tap on the Uninstall option. This action will remove the app and, effectively, your account to a degree. Note that your wallet information will still exist on the blockchain, but your access is revoked. If you wish to permanently eliminate your digital assets, consider transferring them to another wallet beforehand. Once the app is uninstalled, your Trust Wallet account will be inactive. Remember that without access to your private keys or recovery phrases, your assets may be irretrievable. Now you have successfully cancelled your Trust Wallet account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.